there we go. They are unboxing our new motorbike that just arrived from the port.
Di ba may lock man to siya?
Asang lock no?
Ang galing ha?
What's it, darling? Is that the exhaust?
Ay?
Is that the original exhaust?
That's the new exhaust.
Oh, the new one.
Yes.
Yeah, my husband bought a new exhaust as well. So this is the new exhaust because he want to replace the. Yeah, you should hold that one.
Plastic.
He worried that that's plastic, so he did not hold that one. This is a British.
Yang type.
This is a British classic motorbike.
Oh, Gikupia, 1960. Heritage model.
Pirated model. Sabihan mo, Roger, yung nag-pirated.
Heritage, no.
Heritage. I thought it's pirated model.
Looks like an electric motor.
My husband's baby. Royal Alloy scooter. British brand. Thank you for all the guys that help us to unload this one. Thank you, Doy. And Nung Buboy, thank you for your time today, for helping us and getting wet. Oh no.
Gamay raman, sticker lang. Sticker.
Nung day ko na to. Straw. Oh. Nice.
Bag nito ba? I have knife.
What's on your bag?
What's in your bag? That's that.
Oh, you have a lot of money in there. We have everything on his bag.
I need. Secret. Ah!
You look classic in there, darling. Classic mud.
Panahong mampor. Do you know what mampor? 19th in 18th century.
No, I do not know, Mampur.
Ano ni basket?
Pwede mo yung basket. Pahimuan pa siguro nag-basket. Oh, there's no basket in there, darling?
Oh, pahimuan ano yung basket dari back and front.
Oy, basket? No basket?
What's the basket?
Is that the basket? Oh, mao din yung basket.
Sa tuyuan yun. Ah,
Pila kay litrong sur na ba?
kapix.
Bro, dako kita.
Di, kuha siya. Dako ng tangke kay dako magkuha niya pang cruiser bitaw.
How many liters
Round ka
that
ba?
one?
Mga pila ka
No
miles.
Um,
How many liters in the tank?
No idea.
oh. This motorbike is a GP 300. It's quite big engine. And it is Grand Prix 300S.
That's what the GP stands for.
Oh, is that mean? GP. Oh. I just know that the meaning of GP is Grand Prix.
Okay.
Because and this is from Royal Alloy. Is that the company?
UK.
This company is from the UK, Royal Alloy.
It's okay to ligid-ligid ba kay pwede ra man mo ligid-ligid ay.
Gites open ni gites.
Wow. Can I try if I can stand? Dili hawilis dili.
Na, sino din una?
Just for me, look. I can just touch the floor.
How about me?
Well, you're only 5 foot, I'm 5'9".
No, angkas daw Juliet.
I will try.
Angkas ba
How
angkas?
about my foot?
Na daw. Kuha nila.
Thank-
No, mo no. Ay, kuha siguro automatic ko dyan.
Yeah, I think so. Push it, I don't know.
I think that's
Pushing.
too high.
Of course it is, you can't touch the floor, can you?
Push. Siguro i-push siguro siya.
Okay, how about darling? Want to try?
Ibantay kang maligid ka.
Oh my god, I can't reach.
Bukat mo na.
Bugat siya pag magkuhan. Pero kung mudaga na siya, gaan na.
weight on 1 foot.
Mm.
Can't reach. Oh, yeah. Can't reach.
Ha?
Buka bot. This is very wide.
300 oh.
Bukan naman to.
Get me.
Ini mo yung nakakuha no? Ini mo yung nakakuha nini silence.
Is that sounds good?
Where's the map?
So, mag-unboxing ko. Do you want to unbox the darling?
Unboxing ha, unboxing.
Kauban mo na are.
Now, nung buboy will do, they will unbox the exhaust because
Because
they will,
baksan inside. Isa may no, baksan inside.
because they want to replace the original exhaust.
Oh, yupak na. Unboxing.
There's
And who will install that, darling?
Huh?
The exhaust.
me.
Can you?
Roger can install
Piss.
basic only
Oh, what's that?
the carrier.
That was the original carrier on the back.
Oh, the original carrier.
Sa mga moto
2021
Well, I don't know what model that one, darling.
What?
2021.
2021 model.
March 21, brand new.
limited pa ni.
Unlimited pa rin siya. Unlimited pa rin siya. Oh. Limited pa rin siya.
So is that new exhaust is from Malaysia as well?
No, that's from the UK.
As assembled by
Oh, from the
Malaysian
UK.
British company
So that is from the UK as well.
because of the labor.
We only have one dealership here in the Philippines, only in Manila.
We have no, we don't. We have one in Davao
Oh, do we have one in Davao now?
and one starting in Cebu.
Yeah, but no in Bohol yet.
Not in Bohol yet.
Oh.
I saw these. I talk slowly. In the UK, nearly 4 years ago, but there was none here. But they're in Australia,
Muna yung
UK,
giniyon, ganiha. Yang pulihan ang na.
Tama.
Ah, smart.
The mating. Do you know the mating?
Tong room din.
Tungtong na namay ko rin eh.
What's that? Is that the mat? New mat?
Mating.
Yeah,
Oh,
but I'm not going to use that.
this is spare. A spare mat.
No, it's not a spare mat, darling. I'm not putting it on.
Oh, okay. Is that the original one? The mat.
Yeah. Because you see these, do that?
Hmm?
You see these are plastic. These.
Yeah.
I've got some stainless steel ones coming.
So you want to replace the plastic as well?
Yeah.
So what he's going to do is he will replace the plastic, the black line,
Run it.
and he want to replace it with the stainless. So you don't need to put the mat.
Di ara de Roger oh.
So what's that? What's that no?
Original lah. Suli ni si tambutso orong
Down pipe. It's the down pipe
Oh, is that the down pipe?
for the new silence.
Down fight.
Elbow.
So it's fuel ejected. You see there, see that bit there?
Original pagkado.
There.
Nga
That has a sensor in. It sensors. So there's a CPU. Do you know what I mean by a CPU? Central Processing Unit.
Marawi. Bahala di.
Talks to everything. Like when I switch it on, it checks everything. Yes. And then there's one for
So what? What's that? Is that
The
the
muffler.
that's
the muffler?
That's the new
The
silencer.
Scorpion muffler.
The news?
Backlock muffler.
That look like a bomb. Have a look.
Pagkatawa. Pagkatawa ba?
Backlock muffler.
So
Batik.
these are all.
Lami kini ikos motor na to ba?
The bike. These are
No?
extras.
Kanang mga ordinary nga motor ba?
So you can
No?
put them.
So is it the muffler?
Muffler. The racing muffler.
Oh. So is that done now?
Did you pick this another lock?
Yeah. Yeah. So this and these a bit will be taken off and recovered.
Oh, they will recover it.
I'm going to get them recovered. So here, this is what they call ivory colour.
I agree.
Yeah. So here, this and this will be resprayed metallic candy red.
So he's
Really?
going to respray this color
Oh, but
into metallic red.
the registered pin is white.
How about the registered pin?
The registered color is white.
No, ivory.
Ivory.
Yes.
Parehas to pabli.
Ipari otro pa mo. You change the color.
I-repaint pa niya.
Yeah, just a bit here. Yeah, and that will be done the same
Oh,
colour.
yeah.
So it's not all you want to repaint. It's not all.
No.
No,
Just,
that's just design. The
Just the design.
Oh,
just to give it a bit of pop, because it's bland. It's bland. So that will be done. This will be done, and there'll be a couple of stripes down here.
ayan.
Yeah.
Yan din ni pa.
You see this?
Around the eye color.
Why it's black, I don't know. So I have a stainless steel cover coming for that.
Yeah.
So you want to
That will be
replace the
stainless
black stainless.
Yeah, that will be stainless. And this here will be stainless.
So
polished
you want
stainless.
to replace the stainless
And
as
this
well?
here, where the battery is, that will be polished
Di
stainless.
salamat to ya.
That will come off and that will be replaced. And then this is with stainless as well.
Doy, salamat to ya.
Salamat. Yeah. So it'll all be stainless.
Day, dili ni siya pwede day i-start ni mo day nga di ka makasakay.
Ano man?
Ayaw gyud ha. Kay kung may start ka gaana lang, ngay mo i-start, matumba ka kay gamay a little bit twist.
Allowance.
I don't ride that one.
Adi man.
Can't reach.
Pwede ra.
Can't
And
reach.
these are coming off. And I'm not using them mirrors. I'm gonna have end bar mirrors on here. End bar.
How do you put your end-bar mirror?
Yeah.
How do you put your end-bar mirror?
You take this
Elbow mo.
elbow. You take this out
Hmm.
and then you replace it with a mirror.
Elbow mirror.
Oh, really?
End bar mirror. So that will be.
Iya pa rin ni siya ipa-upgrade. Ipa-upgrade. Ipa-upgrade pa ni mo.
So it's
This
just
is
it's a waste of
this
money
a
to
normal,
upgrade.
Normal type, but you make upgrade it.
This is not on. This was not on.
Yeah, that's
This is
additional
not
na
on.
no. The stainless
This is
is
all.
original. Oh, additional na na.
This is additional.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. That.
So the stainless are all additional. It's not included to the price.
Look, ABS brakes.
So to? Ano ari kay?
Yeah, dahil na.
If you want a basket,
Duy, salamat sa mo, Duy, ha?
Nah, it's only for a bit of shopping or whatever.
shopping.
Yeah.
You put it here in the
Yeah.
basket.
Yeah. And the same on the back. But I've got a catch here and a catch there if I want to keep them locked.
Radiator?
Where's the radiator?
Underneath.
Radiator?
So underneath of this motorbike has a radiator.
Radiator.
A radiator. What's the radiator for?
Water
For
cool.
cooling system.
Oh, it's like a car.
That's like a car. Dali raman ni siya day. Alis dan day.
Like?
No, it's easy to change muffler.
Yeah. It's just
Yeah.
off the bottom of the
Yeah,
pot.
yeah.
And it's just fastened on a bracket there.
Ayan.
And then you just fasten,
So,
change the bracket.
so how you
If you change the muffler, you do not throw away the original muffler
No.
because I can put it my motor.
No.
Hey!
They
Sibo
have
din, no?
a slot look. Here,
Ah,
a sensor fits in there. Yeah.
Sensor.
And it talks to the electronics.
Mm.
Yeah.